everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. My name is Roosevelt, and I will be entertaining you with cocktails today. If this is your first time, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you. Anyway, what we're going to make today is a variation to a Manhattan. This is Tequila Manhattan. We're going to call this the Distrito Federal, right? Federal District or District Federal? I don't know. But anyway, here we go. First thing first, tequila, right? Well, get your nice reposado. And we're going to go 2 ounces of our tequila. This is that Rocks Terramana. I like it. It's a really good tequila. Next, because it's a Manhattan, we need some sweet vermouth. And we're going to go just 1 ounce of a sweet vermouth. Last, we're going to go 2 dashes of an orange bitter. 1, 2. Give it a quick light stir. Add some ice. Want to get this nice and chilled because we're going to put it in a coupe glass. You can get fancy, do a little twist of lime and all that kind of stuff, but we're here to drink, not here to pretty up drinks. Isn't that right? Here we go. All right, so the Tequila Manhattan or Distrito Federal. I like it. Nice, clean taste. Like it's a good drink. It's a good variation of the Manhattan. So if you like Manhattans, you want to look for something different, right? This is different. This is good. This is tasty. So you should try it out. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.